Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound or just the voicemail sound on this device. So firstly, let's tap on the dialer and choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and here we've got the voicemail section, so let's tap on it. As you can see at the very bottom of it, we've got the notifications, so let's tap on it, and here we've got actually some settings which are connected with those notifications, and of course you can set the alert, which is right now turned on. You can set silent, you can decide if you'd like to show it as pop-up, and finally you can find the sound option. So let's tap on it, and here we have been transferred to some defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. And if you'd like to check how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you should hear it. Okay. So if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that this option is marked like here and just go back. And as you can see, it has been immediately changed, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen sound. So actually that's all. This is how to change the voicemail sound, the voicemail notification sound in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.